Did you know that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the universe? A galaxy, my friends, is a colossal assembly of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by the omnipresent force of gravity. Our home, the Milky Way, is an impressive specimen in itself, boasting around 100 billion stars. Can you imagine that? But let's not get too comfortable. There are other galaxies out there that make our Milky Way seem like a modest suburban home. Take the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest spiral galaxy neighbor. It's about twice the size of our Milky Way, housing an estimated 1 trillion stars. And let's not forget about the different types of galaxies that decorate our universe. We've got spirals like our Milky Way and Andromeda, ellipticals which are round or elongated spheres, and irregulars, the galaxies that refuse to fit into any category. And yet the Milky Way is but a speck in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Ever wondered about our nearest galactic neighbors? Let's take a little cosmic journey to our closest spiral galaxy, Andromeda. It's a whopping 2.5 million light years away, but don't worry, it's coming to us. That's right, in about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to collide. But before you start packing your spacesuit, remember that galaxies are mostly empty space, and this cosmic tango won't be a disaster, but a beautiful dance of star systems intertwining. Closer to home, we have the large and small Magellanic Clouds, dwarf galaxies that are our closest galactic companions. They're a mere 160,000 and 200,000 light years away, respectively, and you can even see them with the naked eye if you're in the southern hemisphere. In the grand theatre of the universe, galaxies are the main actors, constantly moving and interacting. Galaxies are not just made up of stars, you know. They are cosmic cauldrons swirling with gas, dust, and the elusive dark matter. These elements don't just float around aimlessly, they are the architects of the cosmos, shaping galaxies and birthing stars. Gas and dust are the raw materials, coalescing under the influence of gravity to ignite new stars. Dark matter, while invisible, adds to this gravitational pull, influencing the structure and shape of galaxies. Galaxies, it seems, are as complex and diverse as the life forms they harbor. What does the future hold for galaxies like ours? Well, grab your cosmic dance shoes, because our Milky Way and the neighboring Andromeda Galaxy are set for a spectacular collision. But don't worry, this isn't for another 4 billion years or so. Meanwhile, a mysterious force called dark energy is making the universe expand at an ever-increasing speed. So, as galaxies twirl and twine, they're also being pushed further apart. While the future may be uncertain, one thing is clear: the dance of galaxies continues. Isn't the universe a marvelous place full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered? We've journeyed through the grandeur of the cosmos, visited our galactic neighbors, discovered that galaxies are more than just stars, and peeked into the future of these celestial cities. Each fact, each discovery brings us closer to understanding this awe-inspiring universe we call home. But the journey doesn't end here. Join us on our journey through the cosmos. Subscribe to Kids Math TV and let's unravel the mysteries of the universe together.